I'm Marco, and I'm the master of bouncy noodles in Hong Kong.
Does it hurt your butt? Like pain?
Of course. If you do this very long, day by day, you will get very pain of the ass.
So Marco's in the back hopping on a bamboo pole, and you can see the noodles in front of me just getting flatter and flatter and flatter. It's so fascinating. I came all the way to Hong Kong pretty much just to eat. This city has the highest density of restaurants in the world with over 15,000 of them.
Hi, see you next time. Thank you. Welcome in Hong Kong.
Eating out in Hong Kong is routine for most locals and residents because A, you can find anything you want, and B, it's actually cheaper than grocery shopping and cooking at home. Some of the best cuisine on earth can be found here in the form of dim sum, chicken rice, and my favorite, noodles. This restaurant called Kwan Bamboo Noodle Shop, behind me is that yellow sign, is the only one left who makes bouncing noodles traditionally from a bamboo stick. The following is what I've observed. You take a thick slab of dough, you attach the heavy bamboo stick above it, you hop on top, bounce up and down, right to left, and repeat it for several hours until the dough is flat. Why do they do this? Because they claim it makes the noodles more elastic and longer lasting.
Sometimes when you eat noodles, you store in the soup for a long time, you will taste not good. So that's the reason why they use the bamboo.
The Chinese bouncing noodle tradition dates back centuries, but it's almost completely dead because of the intense manual labor involved.
It's really tired day by day to doing this job. Harder than doing gym.
Are you the only one in Hong Kong that does it?
I can swear that I am the only one who know how to make these noodles.
Your grandfather did this?
Should be my grandfather.
This kitchen is really small. I'm standing in the corner and my arm length almost goes to the back. After spending all morning observing the preparation process, it's time to give the noodles a try with my buddy Grizz, who I randomly just met on the street. And Grizz is from this neighborhood.
Yes.
He knows what's going on and I have no clue what's going on.
Oh, they don't have English. I can't see it. No English, bro. No English, bro. Again, no English. Wow, no English. And no English, bro.
That's why you have to have a local friend like Grizz who can help you translate.
Our signature dish, there is no many places you can have this type of noodle.
Yeah.
More fresh, you can see more. Don't forget the chopsticks.
So bouncy, just like how they're made. Bouncy! When you eat it, bouncy. The final verdict is that these bouncing noodles are delicious, and I'm glad that I was able to document this fascinating tradition before it becomes obsolete.
Thank you for watching, and if you come to Hong Kong, you have to try my noodles.
Thank you, man. Nice to meet you. I'm trying to pay, but she won't let me pay. I want to pay. She's pushing me up. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
She's so sweet. Wow, I tried to pay and she wouldn't let me pay. Wow.
Hong Kong style, right?
Hong Kong style. I love the people here, man. See you later.
Hi, see you next time. Thank you. Welcome in Hong Kong. Bye bye.
Wow, that guy was the best. I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.